morning, guys. Nagpiprito si Marlon sa banana cake. Banana man, saging mantikaan. Banana cake. Saging mantikaan.
Banana Q. This is Banana Q that I am cooking. Nagbablog to.
Oh, tingnan mo to.
Nagbabanana Q kasi ako. Hindi naman yan Banana Q eh. Hindi ko alam kung saging mantikaan.
Ano yan? Sinaing.
Sinaing mo saging. Oh, you want to see it? Here. Sinaing na saging at saka banana Q. Kasi wala na kaming pera pang itab. No, the truth, you know what is the truth? We don't have money to buy food anymore. That's why we just eat saging. At saka yung saging na to, tinatapon na dapat sa makala kasi bulok-bulok na. Tsagaan na lang namin. Kasi wala namin pera pambili ng makael.
Sapo mas lola.
Hindi kasi yung saging, hinog na, masarap to masarap to banana.